Good morning, guys. Sean here, Beijing HBK from D Sweet Deals. It's a beautiful day today, bright and early Monday. We about to go drop off the packages this morning to the post office, hit a few thrift stores, and get some business done. So, let's get this day started. Let's make some money, guys. Can't start the day without getting some cash. We're ready now. So, made it to the first thrift store we're going to run into today. And we're basically going to go in there and see what shoes they got. We're kind of trying to move away from the clothing and just stick to the clothing when it's in bulk buys in my bulk lots. So we've been doing pretty good with shoes lately, so we're going more in that direction. So let's get on in there and see what they got. Didn't do too bad in there since for a Monday. Got about 3 pairs. We'll probably go over those stuff a little later. It's about 10:30 now. We got enough time to hit about one more thrift shops and run back in the house with the kids. So guys, it's another day to go thrifting. I got my 2 helpers with me back there today. Any of you other resellers know how hectic the day can be when you have the kids with you, but we gonna make it work. Hello, Mr. Brandon. The other one's back there hiding somewhere. They'll be my cameramen for today. So let's go see what we can find up in this thrift store over here. So we didn't find much up in that unique thrift store, seeing as how we came in right after a big sale that started Sunday. But we found about three things, which wasn't too bad. So we're about to head on back home now, and then we'll go over what we got between the 2 days with the shoes. All right, guys, back home, back to the studio warehouse where we do our business. We're gonna go over the pairs of sneakers that we got between the two different thrift stores that we went to over the past 2 days. And all these pairs we bought between $5 to $12. Not gonna go over what we bought individually, how much we paid individually. So we got pair of Keens. Now, if you didn't know already, Keens or walking and hiking shoes, these sandals, they're selling pretty quick. So as soon as we list these, they go for around $30 and up, depending on the condition. So we got about 2 pairs of Keens, and they're in pretty decent condition. But I think we could get at least $40 for each pair. Got a pair of Asics. These are gel Sonoma, if I'm saying it correct. And these are in pretty decent conditions. Treads are still good. Got a pair of Nike Hyper Venom. I had a pair of these in blue, different style, that had sold for about $60. So probably do the same for these. Got a pair of Adidas. What brand is this? Adidas Neo. These are decent condition also. Now this brand here, the first time picking these up, these are like training shoes. Mizuno Dynamotion FTE. Decent condition, so hopefully between $30 to $40 we'll get for these. Also another name brand I haven't sold before, Privo. These look like walking shoes. Alright. You've got some Adidas sneaker boots. These look vintage. I've had a pair before. Sold for a decent price also. You could probably get about $40 for these. Now these are some Italian shoes, women's shoes. Famolaire. I looked these up on eBay. They're selling pre-owned at $80. We paid half price for these. We only paid $7 for these. So that's not a pretty bad return on investment. And they're pretty much in mint condition, like new. And the last pair of shoes that we've got in that thrifting haul, some DKNYs. All right, guys, so that's all we have for today. Thanks for coming along on my thrifting day. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to hit the like button. Help support the channel. It helps us get up in ranking. But until next time, this is Sean, Page and HBK.